is a Shapoorji, Pallonji and Company Private Limited. So I would like to tell about a few details of this company. It is a well-known name already, but still, the SPCPL has been operating for around 157 years. The company was established in 1865 in Mumbai and was earlier known as Littlewood Pallonji and Company. Later, on 23rd January 1943, it was incorporated and registered as Shapoorji Pallonji and Company Private Limited. SPCPL is an engineering and construction contractor and offers design, build, and general contracting services. SPCPL renders its construction services for civil, structural, architectural finishing works, facade and glazing, signages, interior fit-out, and furniture works, and MEP services works, electrical installation works, HVAC works, water supply and sanitation works, WTP and STP, firefighting works, elevators, building management systems works, fire alarms, public address system, assist control, CCTV works, roads and external development, landscaping, etc. And the concerned persons are Mr. Mrityunjay Kumar, who is the regional HSE head, South region, having 22 years of vast experience in the construction industries. The company has secured British Safety Council 5-star and Sword of Honor. He adjusted Leadership Award from GSS in previous year and many awards from GSS, CII, CIDAC, NCSI, etc. Mr. Yellappa, the HSE manager of Godrej, Indiranagar, Bengaluru, having 12 years of experience and delivered many MNC company in past BE, NIMAR, HSE. I would like to request sir to please come forward for his address.
Good afternoon to ladies and gentlemen. I would like to thank jury team and Aspati madam for selecting Shapoorji Pallonji Godrej project for this award. I will take few of minutes of all of you. I will talk about our company's legacy. After that, Yellappa, he is heading our owner project, will take through HSE implementation at the project side. As explained about our company's legacy, company has 157-year-old company and his presence in across the globe. In India, we have 142 ongoing projects. In South India, I am handling 43 projects. Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore, and Kochi. So we have robust HSE system. Based on implementation at side, many companies had selected prestigious award like Golden Peacock Award, CIDC Award, and internationally British Safety Council 5-star and Sword of Honor. We got just 6 months back. Our company having more than 4,000 staff with 670 HSE professionals across the nation. So some of iconic building constructed by the Shapoorji Pallonji group, you can have a look. Most of structure you might be aware about it. Intel, you can see this is the first kind of top-down construction. It was constructed by SPCL in Bengaluru. G plus 14 floor building was there. We started constructing from top to bottom, from 14 floor, 13 floor, 12 floor, 11 floor, 10 floor, like that. So this is one kind of unique building we constructed in 2017-18. So many such kind of project iconic we have constructed, and still we are in process to build a nation. We are giving contribution to build the nation. So now, thank you. That's it from my end. Now I'll request Mr. Yelappa to continue with the project HSC implementation things. I will keep assisting him. Please come.
Good afternoon, everyone. I will take you through the HSC implementations at our project sites, which we are implementing. So, safety will start at the entrance of the project itself. There is no child labor will be engaged. This is a hard and fast, and it's a legal requirement also. And the site entry itself will display the safety park. It includes all kind of PPEs what we are using at the projects. And the awareness will be given while being the inducting for the new entrants. And any visitors is also inducted through this, and total access control by side of this safety park only. So our process includes first every new entrance will report to the admin department, and admin department will recheck and verify their documents like mandatory by the government. And then once that has been clear, the person will move to the medical checkup, where the projects having the construction medical officer appointed. And once the medical screening has been completed, if the construction medical officer declared him as a fit for the work, then the worker will move to the safety induction purpose. The safety induction, also we are having the good amenities like projector or else in the 42-inch LED TV, and 50 numbers of seating capacity with table and chairs. And all the do's and don'ts we are displayed all around the walls of the induction hall, and we are having the 90 minutes video. It will totally go through that all three languages: English, Hindi, and local language. Like in Karnataka, it will run by the Kannada language. In other states, it will run by the local language. And after this, again we will evaluate them and how much they are understand the things, and that process we are backing up. So, gate entry procedure, while entry from the gate, and the security personnel will screen them. And after screening, and they will move through this turnstiles, where we will record there should not be exceed the working hours of the workman above 60 hours in a week. Once 60 hours is reached, this next day he should take the rest. And this is one of the picture you are doing the height work competency, where it will be pulse rate. We are checking through the CMO or the male nurse appointed, and through that we are allowing. These are the medical facilities available at project site as well as at the workers camp. So CMO has been appointed, and ambulance facility is by the 24/7 services, and as per the BOCW Act, this medical center will be set up. And the workers will be shifted from their worker camp through the buses. Once they are alighted, then they will be entered at the security person, and frisking is the one of the thing. Because of the BD, cigarette, gutka, or any tobacco products, or some of the lighters or matchsticks, matchboxes, this should be frisked, frisking at the gate entrance only. And the safety person will ensure that all minimum required PPEs are wear by the each individual worker while entering at the project site for the regular duties. And pedestrian walkway has been established. Through the pedestrian walkway, the worker will move to their respective work locations. This is the vehicle inspection system. Jointly, we will conduct by the site HSC team as well as the PME. We call it, many of the companies call it as PNM department, and we call it as PME department. So, and all the legal documents we will check, like RC, insurance, and emission tests, certificates, and competency of the driver, and fitness of the vehicle. And then it will be declared as the fit for use. The checklist will be filled, and sticker will be sticked on the vehicle along with the driver details. These are the toolbox talks. So daily routine work will be jointly conducted by the execution team, in front engineer in charge. HSC department person will witness that one. If any points are missing, he will add on, and then only the workers will deploy for the actual day work. The work permit system as a one of the administrative control we are adopted. The excavation work permit, hot work, height work, confined space, electrical, and lockout tagout. There's a lifting operation, demolition work, and one more has missed here is a night work permit. Also after sunset, we will initiate the night work permits. And every day the permit status will be displayed in the project entrance, and the permit will be available at the work location. Here the permit boxes are available, and the engineer will fill the work permits, and HSC department will cross verify and approve, and then it will kept in the work location permit box. During the excavation, we have taken this bench cutting and the shoring and edge protection systems we are following, and the pedestrian demarcation during the execution of the excavation as well as the execution of the project. These are the some samples of the pedestrian as well as the vehicle movement has been. This height work and scaffold is the most important thing in the construction industry. In the scaffold we have done a lot of improvements. In this, first we will deploy the competent scaffolders through their training, and scaffold inspectors will be trained by the Caesars, the Chennai. And these are the components we will ensure and will be checked. There are some photos of the competent persons undergone the training at the Caesar in Chennai. So housekeeping plays a major role in any of the industry, but mainly in the construction industry, it will be, we are driving like it's a separate dedicated team with the one guiding person as a staff for them. And every day, the workplace will be cleared of the mucks and muds. And apart from that, your company has initiated on mass housekeeping drive. So on the weekly basis, it's every Saturday is from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Each and every staff should be part of this, and all the workers will be engaged for the same. And this anti-smog guns we are using at the projects where the excavation works and dust generating activities are happening. So sustainability part, we have initiated wherever in each and every project we are having the project store. The project store, the daytime light, electricity will not be used, because when the daytime, the sunlight will be illuminated the area. Like we are using the transparent sheets at the rooftop. It almost, we have saved up to 50,000 rupees if we are consider we are saving 2 units per day as a electricity. And our project areas, general areas and our worker camps, area lighting will be provided by the solar lighting. So initial investment is more, well, while we're going with the solar, but the returns is very good in the long term, because we are saving a lot in this. The STP will be set up in the workers camp. And this STP treated water will be realigned for the flushing of the toilets and gardening purpose, and where we will not to use the fresh water for that purpose. And one more, STP treated water will be used for the concrete production work. The second photo is the setup unit for the BWSSP, Bengaluru Water Supply and Sewerage Board. The STP water we will take from them and we will retreat it, and we will use the water for the curing as well as concrete production purpose. It will save the lot of money, this rupees about 21 lakh during the concrete production. So again, continuation with the sustainability. Shapoorji, Pallonji has taken very good initiative to give the carbon footprint on the earth. So wherever possibility is there, we are having our own scheme. We are having our own scheme like 25 meter by 25 meter and 50 meter by 50 meter, like that. And plantation scheme we are having. With the client permission, we will. Yes, sir. And there are all the projects are having like this, so field wash area, and this environment management system, like noise and ambient air quality monitoring and DG stack monitoring we are conducting. And these are the amenities we are providing for the workers. During the lunch hours, they will sit and they will take the rest as well as they will take the lunch. And it includes all the amenities like fans, lights, as well as fly catchers and RO treated drinking water and There are the worker accommodation provisions we are providing with all the amenities like dining hall and their rooms with bunker beds, mattresses and uh, RO treated drinking water, and even we are providing them the separate washing machine and dryer machines also. And wood we are not using any of our worker camps. So firewood will be totally banned. We are using only LPG gases so that the gas bank we are providing, and sufficient numbers of urinals, bathrooms and toilets will be providing. There are some engineering controls like wherever the tower cranes will be overlapping, anti-collision devices we have installed. And this is the our space where we will capture all the observations and near misses and our statistics. And these are the fire and electrical safety measures. And DBs will be lock and key condition with additional mesh. And all the transit mixers and construction vehicles will be fitted with a reverse camera. There are the height work edge protection system and lifeline system we are using. So horizontal lifeline instead of the polypropylene rope. So organic food converter we are having at the workers camp. They are for their entertainment purpose, carom boards and 42-inch LED TV has been fixed in the dining hall. They are some of the external trainings. The motivational program on monthly basis for the safe worker, safe staff and safe subcontractor of the month. Badges and certificates along with gift box we are providing to them. There are some challenges we have faced and measures will be taken. The medical camps and blood donation camp for under the CSR activities we are conducting. The joy of giving activity under the CSR. Send with our presentation. Thank you. Thanks a lot for your patience.